Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to discuss MCB chapter, The Garden of Live Flowers, written by Lewis Carroll. First of all, I want to tell you something about the author Lewis Carroll. Lewis Carroll was the pen name of Charles Ludwig Dodgson. He was born in a small village, Daresbury, in England. He was an English writer, mathematician, logician, and photographer. He used to spend all his time writing for children or telling stories to them. Alice's Adventure in Wonderland, written in 1865, and its Squill loved to create nonsense poems with unusual words such as Jabberwocky and the Hunting of the Snark, written in 1876. The Garden of Live Flowers is an extract taken from Through the Looking Glass, which was published in 1871. This storybook is the second part of Alice's Adventure in Wonderland, written in 1865. Before the story got published, Carroll used to make up these stories and tell to a little girl called Alice Liddell and her sisters. While playing the game of chess with the girls, he came up with the idea of many stories which are a part of these storybooks. In one of those storytelling sessions, Carroll created a world where Alice meets flowers that can talk. Dear students, let's moving on to the characters of the chapter. The first character is Alice, who is 7.5-year-old girl and protagonist of the story. She is a very happy child, but a lonely one. The novel opens with her talking to her cats, Dinah, Snowdrop, and Kitty, and she is the only human who appears in the novel. The second character is Tiger Lily. Tiger Lily is in the garden outside of Looking Glass house that rudely tells Alice that Alice is not a very pretty flower. Next character is Rose and Violet. Both flowers in the garden outside of Looking Glass house are very rude with Alice. And the next one is Red Queen. Red Queen is a snappy and authoritative queen in Looking Glass world. As a queen, she can move all around the chessboard quickly. Alice greatly admires the Red Queen at first and tries her best to follow all of her rules regarding conduct and etiquettes. Dear students, The Garden of Live Flowers, written by Lewis Carroll, in which Alice acts as an explorer in Looking Glass world, recalling other explorers discovering new territories in the late Victorian era. When she meets the living flowers, she discovers not only that others do not share her assumptions, but that the native population perceives her as foolish. Alice's lack of knowledge about Looking Glass world creates a culture clash in which her confusion over the flowers' explanation of why trees have bark and boughs inspires scorn in the flowers. Alice fails to understand in this chapter that she must do everything backward. She gets confused when the rose advises her to walk the other way to reach the Red Queen. Alice relates to the Red Queen how she is lost because she does not realize that in the mirror One has to move away from an object to get closer to it. The path seems to actively punish her for failing to understand the properties of looking glass world, deliberately rearranging itself to get her off track. So dear students, that is all about the gist of the story and about the author. Tomorrow I will discuss about the whole summary of the chapter. I hope you all have understood about it very well. Thank you. Good day. Bye.